Naghahanap ka ba ng Penang itinerary? Here's a sample day tour itinerary for you. First, I went to the Peranakan Mansion. This restored heritage house gives you a glimpse into the opulent lifestyle of the Peranakan community. Madaming antique furniture, intricate tiles, and rich history. Pwede ka rin mag-traditional costume. Suggest ko to reserve your slots agad para dun sa free show. It's a showcase of traditional Peranakan music, at nakakuha pa nga ako ng free bracelet. Next, I went to the Georgetown Street Art for its famous murals. Pwede kang maglakad or rent a bike. Ako nag-hire ng rickshaw para mapuntahan yung mga famous murals.
Guys, kaya ako nag-rickshaw kasi hindi ako nakapag-research. So, hindi ko alam kung saan pupunta. Ayan, kapag mag-ano ka ng rickshaw, 30, iikot ka lang. 40, 30 minutes, pero pwede kang bumaba. Tapos, 1 hour, pwede ka bumaba, 80.
Here's a montage of what you can see in the area.
3. Heritage cat. Oh, wow, heritage cat. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Jerry. Chu Jetty.
Okay.
Yan, tuturuan tayo ni Kuya.
That's our trip! Like and follow for more travel videos!